like a pro, like a pro. Yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, like a pro. Making profit like a pro,
like a pro. Gonna let them know. Bank on the phone, no, I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
You want to trade like the pros? You want to finally reach your goals? You want the tips to catch pips? Then you come to the right channel. What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And today I'm going to give you one of my strategies, another one of my strategies. I already released like 3 or 4 of them, right? So we're just going to add them together, all right? The more you know, the more money you can make. All right, here's another one, team. We can mark it up here. And I see it happening about right up in here. So just follow the rules. I don't care if this is not live right now. I'm showing you, I'm back testing with you. I want you to back test even more. I didn't already put the work in. That's how I know about this. Now you have to. All right, I'm waking you up, making you aware. Now you have to. Now next, in the next coming videos, I'm gonna be showing you videos on how I made money with it, live trades with it. So those videos are coming. So just be patient. So let's mark up our divergence. So price is making higher highs. See that? See how price is making higher highs? Right up in here, these two. Price is going up, right? But look at the MACD. The MACD is not. Okay, do y'all see that? The MACD is not going higher. Why is the market going higher at this point? Even right here, let's go back. We can even go back. Why is the market going higher at this point? But the RSI is not. So draw up a trend line. Find the divergence. That's step number 1. Find the divergence. All right. Here we go. This is the hour chart. This is what it looked like. See that? It's making higher highs, team. See it right over here? Broke that structure. Went higher. Went higher. So it's making higher highs. All right. So it's going higher. And you don't know that it's about to drop. You don't know that that drop is coming. But it's making higher highs. But the RSI is not. So now, look for that the MACD, the lines to cross. This is for a sell. I'm showing you another sell, and I'm gonna show you a buy next. Look at the blue line crossing below the orange. Now let's go to the 15-minute chart. And now what are we waiting for? Do you remember? We're waiting for the trend line to be broken at this point. You can still see on the RSI that divergence is there. On a 15-minute chart, divergence is there. Price was going higher and the market is going lower at this point of time. Wait for the trend line to break. Wait for the trend line to break, and here it is. This is where it broke it. Right here. And you're waiting for that on a 15-minute chart, and at that point, you want to see if the MACD, the 2 lines, are underneath the histogram. That will give you your pips. Okay, use risk management. Of course, trade at your own risk. But I'm talking about this strategy is like 75-80% win rate. That's how I compound my money a lot of these trades. All right, you know my other strategies, I use them, but I use all of them when I need to. The more you know, the more money you can make. You need to have all of these tools in your toolbox ready to use them. A mechanic do not use a wrench for every job. A screwdriver, a hammer for every job. Sometimes he need to use an air gun. Sometimes he need to use a fill up. Sometimes he need to use a drill. Like, you know what I'm saying? You get the point. You need to have more tools in your toolbox. And so I'm your boy, and I'm gonna lace you up and give you all these tools that you need. So there we go. There's the sale. All right, and then let's see how many pips. Remember, I said only go for 30 minimum. All right, so it went how many pips did it go? 24 pips before it pulled back and tested the trend line. 24 pips, and then it dropped 57. All right, so I know people in the comments is gonna say, well, why didn't you show us the buy? Why didn't you show us a buy? So I'm gonna show you a buy real quick, all right? The first step is find divergence with price action and the RSI. So let's quickly run through this now. Now that y'all are familiar, I keep my divergence a dotted line. Why is price making lower lows? You feel me? You see price making lower lows on this hour chart? Okay. Now let's look at the RSI now. Why is the RSI from about, we want to keep it at the same spot. Why is it making higher highs? You feel me? Like you see what I'm saying? Why is this? If you can be patient and wait for this, these setups, you're gonna get paid. You're gonna get paid. All right. So look, so now that we found that, what is the next step? Look for the MACD, all right, the MACD line to cross below, the blue line to cross. In this case, this is for a buy. So we want the blue line to cross above the MACD signal line, which is the orange line. Look at the bottom of the chart. We want to see this on the hour chart. Once we see that blue line cross above the orange line, it's really, really close to game time, okay? So boom, go ahead and mark up this trend line. That's the next step. And we're doing all of this on the hour chart. So my trend line is a regular straight line. Boom. All right, so there we go. So this is obviously a downtrend. Mark this thing up, connect the pieces. Look. Put it on the first point, and right here is where we started it at, right here, and just drop it down. Drop it down when it touch, boom. That's where it touches, that's where you stop. So there it is, okay? All right, so now go to the 15-minute chart. All right, so now here we are on the entry time frame. You no longer really need the RSI. You can take a look at it. Price is still making higher highs on the RSI, of course, and the market is going down. So you can still see the divergence on the 15-minute, but we don't really need it. Now, we're waiting patiently for the trend line to break, all right? And you want the MACD to be on top of the histogram. You want the two lines to be on top of the histogram on the 15-minute time frame. That's going to be a beautiful confirmation. It's going to be a smooth ride, and you're going to get those pips. But this is very easy to backtest. It's very easy to understand, and it's highly profitable. Highly profitable. Guys, I make these YouTube videos because I want to see you win. I really do. All right? I know you can tell. If you go around and look at all these other people, they give you half of the story, they give you half the game, then they, you know what I mean, whatever. I ain't got nothing to do with no other people. All I know is that I'm here to help, guys, and I want you to meet me halfway by studying my material. Study the material, because you're going to come back with amazing results. All right. My mission is to help you become a profitable trader so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people that's around you. That's the goal. That's the mission from day one, and it will never change. Guys, if this video helps you out, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace. And look, know what? If you guys make some money with this next week, 2 weeks from now, send your boy a video with a testimony. I will love that. I will put you out there, all right? Let's go.